It's time to unbox the top dog of Samsung's folding lineup for this year, the Galaxy Z Fold3 5G. Like the Flip 3, the Galaxy Z Fold3 5G comes with a single USB cable and a SIM tool inside the box, but Samsung's pre-order campaigns will let you get a flip case, S Pen Fold Edition and a 25-watt charger with the phone for free in many markets. Comparing the Galaxy Z Fold3 5G to the Galaxy Z Fold2 5G, and we noticed that the newer phone has a slightly brighter inner display. Samsung claims a 29% improvement, and you can see it in this extreme example below. Here's another interesting comparison. When unfolded, the Galaxy Z Fold3 has an immense 7.6-inch display that easily outclasses even the largest of conventional phones, like the Galaxy Note20 Ultra, when used for browsing or looking at photos, or using two apps side by side. But when viewing a video in cinematic 21:9 aspect ratio, the Galaxy Note20 Ultra 5G actually has a tad larger viewing area than the Fold 3. And here's a close-up of the under-display camera when it's in use and not hidden. You can see the thinner pattern of pixels over the lens quite clearly. The camera is most visible when you're viewing dark content on the screen. Stay tuned for a full and very detailed review of the Galaxy Z Fold 3 soon.